Hey everyone, Dr. Mike here, and welcome back to Z Sharif Medical Information. Today we're tackling a topic that's close to my heart, literally fatty liver disease. We're diving deep into 10 powerful home remedies that can help you take control of your liver health. Now before we jump in, remember this information is for educational purposes only, and it's crucial to consult with your doctor before making any changes to your health regimen. They know your medical history best and can guide you on the right path. Alright, let's kick things off with a tried and true remedy: weight loss. Guys, losing even a small amount of weight can make a world of difference when it comes to fatty liver disease. We're talking about aiming for a healthy, sustainable 3 to 5% of your body weight to start seeing a reduction in liver fat. Now, if you're dealing with inflammation or scarring, which are more serious stages, losing 7 to 10% of your body weight can seriously improve those symptoms. Remember, slow and steady wins the race. Crash diets, not our friends. Next up, let's talk about food, and no, I'm not talking about a restrictive diet. I'm talking about enjoying delicious whole foods that nourish your body and your liver. The Mediterranean diet is a fantastic place to start. This way of eating is all about incorporating plenty of fruits, vegetables, legumes, think beans and lentils, healthy fats like olive oil and avocados, fish, lean meats, and whole grains. It's like giving your liver a big, warm hug. Now this next one might surprise you, but yes, coffee lovers, your morning cup of joe could actually be doing your liver a favor. Now I'm not saying to go overboard, but studies have shown that coffee can stimulate liver enzymes that help fight inflammation and reduce overall liver damage. Aim for 2 to 3 cups of black coffee per day, and by black, I mean skip the sugary syrups and artificial sweeteners. And of course, if you're sensitive to caffeine, listen to your body and adjust accordingly. Chapter 4, Get Moving. The Power of Exercise for Liver Health. Alright, time to get those bodies moving. We all know that living a sedentary lifestyle isn't doing our health any favors, and that includes our liver health. When you're inactive, it increases your risk of developing fatty liver disease. So, how much exercise are we talking about? Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity exercise per week. And hey, it doesn't have to be anything crazy. Brisk walking, swimming, dancing, find something you enjoy and make it a part of your routine. Your liver will thank you. Chapter 5, Sugar Alert, Unveiling Hidden Sugars, Harming Your Liver. Let's talk about sugar, and I'm not talking about the natural sugars found in fruits. I'm talking about those sneaky added sugars that lurk in so many processed foods and drinks. Fructose and sucrose in particular can really contribute to fat buildup in the liver. So, what should you be avoiding? Processed foods, sugary cereals, soft drinks, sweetened dairy products, basically anything with a laundry list of ingredients you can't pronounce. Always read those food labels carefully. Sugar hides in some surprising places. Chapter 6, Cholesterol. Check managing cholesterol for a healthier liver. Here's the thing about fatty liver disease. It can make it tougher for your body to manage cholesterol levels. And high cholesterol, as we know, is a risk factor for heart disease. So, how do we tackle this? Well, first of all, limit your intake of saturated and trans fats. These are the unhealthy fats found in red meats, full-fat dairy products, and processed foods. And remember those lifestyle changes we talked about, diet and exercise? Those play a huge role in managing cholesterol levels too. Chapter 7, Omega-3 Power, Giving Your Liver an Extra Dose of Support. Let's talk about healthy fats, the kind that nourishes your body and supports your liver. Omega-3 fatty acids are your friends here. You can find them in oily fish like salmon, tuna, and mackerel, as well as in walnuts, flax seeds, and chia seeds. Omega-3s have been shown to reduce liver fat and improve cholesterol levels. If you're not sure you're getting enough omega-3s through your diet, talk to your doctor about whether a supplement is right for you. Chapter 8. Now, let's talk about giving your liver a break from substances that can cause it unnecessary stress. I know, we all enjoy a glass of wine or a cocktail now and then, but excessive alcohol consumption is a major risk factor for fatty liver disease. And it's not just alcohol, certain over-the-counter medications and even some supplements can put a strain on your liver. So, before you pop that pill or start a new supplement regimen, it's crucial to talk to your doctor. Chapter 9. Vitamin E is a powerful antioxidant and it plays a crucial role in protecting our cells from damage. Now, when it comes to fatty liver disease, studies have shown that vitamin E can actually help reduce inflammation, especially in those with non-alcoholic steatohepatitis, or NASH, which is a more serious form of the disease. Now, the recommended daily dose for NASH is 800 IU, but please don't just go and start taking high doses of vitamin E without talking to your doctor. They can help determine the right dosage for you based on your individual needs and health history. Chapter 10. For centuries, people have turned to nature to find relief and support their health, and when it comes to liver health, there are some intriguing herbs and natural remedies that have shown promise. Turmeric, for instance, contains a powerful compound called curcumin, which has anti-inflammatory properties. Milk thistle is another popular choice as it's believed to protect liver cells from damage. Green tea, ginger, garlic, these are all natural ingredients that have been traditionally used to support liver health. That's it for our 10 home remedies for fatty liver disease. Remember, even small changes can make a big difference in your liver health and your overall well-being. Whether it's incorporating more liver-loving foods into your diet, getting active, or exploring natural remedies, there are so many things you can do to take control of your health. As always, I encourage you to share this video with your friends and family. Spreading awareness about liver health is so important. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Z Sharif Medical Information for more informative videos just like this one. Until next time, stay healthy, stay informed, and take care of yourselves.